Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we are going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about Central Park, New York's Green Paradise. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Is Central Park located in Brooklyn? No, it is located in Manhattan. Was Central Park the first major public park in the U.S.? Yes, it opened in 1858 as the first major public park. Did Frederick Law Olmsted and Calvert Vaux design Central Park? Yes, they were the park's original designers. Does Central Park cover more than 1,000 acres? No, it covers 843 acres. Can you find a zoo inside Central Park? Yes, there's a zoo in the park. Is Strawberry Fields a memorial for Elvis Presley? No, it is dedicated to John Lennon. Is the word imagine part of the memorial in Strawberry Fields? Yes, it's written in a mosaic at the center. Are there lakes and forests inside Central Park? Yes, the park has both lakes and wooded areas. Has Central Park been featured in movies and TV shows? Yes, it is a popular filming location. Do New Yorkers use Central Park for relaxation and activities? Yes, locals and tourists enjoy many activities there. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.